think that's the summit. We are so far. First glimpse of this waterfall. Giant, massive peak. Surrounded by mountains. I mean, this is one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen. So at this spot is when I decided I wanted to try to fly my drone on up and see what the view is like. It was solar noon, it was as bright as it could get all day, and I wanted to see what it would look like. Quite an amazing perspective to get of the mountain ahead that we were attacking. It was not only inspiring and exciting, but it was also very intimidating to see how much more we had to climb. The views are just breathtaking. Where I'm heading, I can't even believe. So cool. I love this. So unique. How cool is this? Nothing loose right here. This is what I live for. Solid, steep rock. Oh, are you kidding me? I feel like I'm on another planet. It's too late. It's 3:15. I wouldn't get up there till at least 4:15. I'd be up there till fucking 4:45. Wouldn't get back till like midnight. Sucks. I failed, but oh well, the view is still gorgeous, man. Gorgeous view.